Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Vijayta online classes here. Hope you all are understanding the web technology subject here. In the previous session, we have learned about the how to create the images on the web page. How to create the images on the web page. Is it right, all of you? Now we are going to be used here. Syntax both are the same, but again I am repeating here. It is very important topic. Again I am repeating it here. HTML images means here how to create the images on the web page. What tag we are going to be used for this images, and here see here the HTML image tag is used to embedded means here created embed in an image in a web page. Images are technically inserted into the web page. Images are linked to the web page. The img tag creates holding the space for the reference images, and this img tag is empty. Img tag is empty. It contains attributes only. Image tag will not be empty. It must be contains a attributes only. It does not have a closing tag. That means here unpaired tag. It does not have a closing tag. That means here img tag is a unpaired tag. Unpaired tag. Paired means here two tags, starting tag and the ending tag. Now img tag is a unpaired tag. It does not have a closing tag, and this img tag has a two required attributes. Here two attributes we have here. Source, that means here where the image location. Src, source means here src specifies the path to the image. Specifies the path to the image. Alternate means here image రాకపోతే ఏది text display అవ్వాలి. That means here there is a problem in the image. That means here what text is going to be displayed here. Suppose your mobile is not connecting. When I am calling to the others, your mobile is not connected, then what it going to be do here? Right now your mobile is switched off, or right now your mobile is busy. That message is going to be heard. But now here if the image is not displayed, what text is going to be displayed here? Alternate text. That means here alt, alternate images or alternate text is going to be displayed. And let us see the syntax here for this here. Let us see the syntax here. Example, image src is equals to url. Image src is equal to url. Alternate is equal to alternate text. What it going to be displayed? Is it clear? Right now I am going to be show an example here. Right now I am going to be show an example here. HTML. Okay, I am not writing the body. I am not writing the head section. I am writing only the body. In the body I used here image tag. In the body I used here image tag and writing here src. Src is equal to what image I am writing here? FLO flower dot jpg. But here instead of r I am writing here spelling mistake. Okay, then I am closing it. Alternate I am writing here alternate. What is alternate? What we have for the alternate here? alt and any text. Okay, alt lt equals to any text. Image problem. Okay, okay. ఈ టెక్స్ట్ రాకపోతే మళ్ళీ alternate image ఏం రావాలో let us see what we are going to be do. Then I am closing the body. Okay, then I am making it as a save. Where I am saving here? Bcom file layer. What I am saying here? Image already 2 is there. 3.html. ml I am saving here. Then I am clicking here. Then I am going to be open the web page. Where it is image here, let us check it out here. Image 3, clicking here, image 3. See, image problem, image is not opening here because here we have done the mistake. We have done the, instead of flower I have written the spelling wrong. That means here alternate message ఏమొచ్చింది, image problem. Here I am writing only problem. Okay, I am again here saving here. Okay, let us see the problem. Again I am writing here flower. Let us check it out here. File, save, and click here. See, here we have get a flower. Flower dot flower we are going to be get. Let us see here. I am writing here, instead of R I have deleted here. Again I am flower, save. Now I am clicking this one. Alternate, what it going to get here, problem. Where I have written the problem here? Where I have written the problem? Here. Here I have written the problem. Again I am writing R. Again I am saving here file. And again I am clicking here. Okay, we are going to be get a flower. Here instead of flower I can also write here Vijayata College. Okay. Okay. Again I am saving here. Let us check it out here. We are going to get a logo. That is the use of here images. That is the use of here images. Is it clear all of you? And let us see here. This is the use of here image src is equal to url. URL means here address of the image. Alternate text means here what text we are going to be displayed. What text we are going to be displayed. That is the use of here src attribute here. Required src attribute specifies the path of the URL to the image. Make a note it all of you. When a web page loads, it is the browser that moment that gets the image from the web server and insert it to the page. Therefore, make sure that the image automatically stays on the same spots in the relation to the web page. Otherwise, your visitor will get a broken the link of icon. The broken link icon is alternate text has shown. The browser cannot find the image. ఒకవేళ browser image find out చేయలేకపోతే the alternate image is going to be displayed on the web page. Is it clear all of you? That is the use of here. That is the use of here image tag. That is the use of here image tag. Is it clear all of you what I am saying here? Today we have learned what is mean by image. What is the mean by image tag? What is mean by what tag we are going to be used to create a image? What to create an image, what tag we are going to be used? img tag we are going to be used. In this img tag we are going to be used a source src and we are going to be used a another tag is known as here alternate. This is the topic. Today topic we have learned about the image tags. We have learned about the image tags. In this image tags we are going to be used a attributes. How many attributes we are going to be used here? Two attributes we are going to be used. That two attributes are here source and alternate. alt and next one here src. Src means here source, alt means here alternate tag we are going to be used here. Let us see an example here. img src image name is image China, and next here the flower in China, and next here I am trying here. Let us see here, all of you here. See here, head section, this is a comment, this is html, starting html, body I did not write the heading, I used only body. h2 alternate text, I used some text which is going to be displayed on the about the images. ఆ ఇమేజ్ గురించి రాయడానికి టెక్స్ట్ యూజ్ చేశాను, that have written in the paragraph tag. We have learned the p tag. And next here src image is equal to image name, alternate you have written, width is equal to that much and the height is equal to this much I have written. That means here ఎంత height కావాలో ఎంత width కావాలో you can also be used by 460, and the width is here, height width we are going to be used here. Okay, let us see the output here. This is the output. Suppose if I am writing here 46, okay, I am saving here. Then I make it as a run. ఎంత చిన్నగా వచ్చింది చూడండి. Again I am making here 360. It is not 300. Make it as 300. Okay. Now let us see here. And make it as here run. It is a bit big. Now width I wanted to change it to 200. That means it going to be decrease the image size. Width and the height is going to be increase the size and decrease the size as you wish. It may be in the numbering. Okay, that is the use here. How many attributes we have learned here? 4 attributes we have learned: source, alternate, width, height. Source, alternate, width and height. Source means here where the image is location. Alternate means here ఆ ఇమేజ్ ఒకవేళ డిస్ప్లే కాకపోతే ఏ మెసేజ్ రావాలి. విడ్త్ మీన్స్ హియర్ విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇమేజ్. హైట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇమేజ్. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఇమేజ్, ఇక్కడ వరకు ఉంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి రన్ అని పెట్టినప్పుడు చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇజ్ ఇట్ చేంజ్డ్? దట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ విడ్త్. వితౌట్ alternate also I can also be used here. I am saving here. Save. I am running. Any difference is there? There is no difference. Is it clear all of you? Suppose nothing but here without alternate alt I can also be write the program, but without width also I can write the image, without height also I can write the image. That means here, but without source we cannot use it. A tag is known as here img tag. If we are using a img tag, you have to use the compulsory that tag is known as here src. That tag is known as here src. That is the use of here img tag. That is the use of here img tag. Let us see here. In the previous session we have used here src is equal to Vijeta. Okay, I can also use here width and the height. Width is equals to, I am using here 400. Height is equals to, I am using here 356. Okay, double quotes, it must be in the double quotes. Okay, then I am closing the tag, then I am closing the, 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 then I am Then I am closing the tag. Then I am saving it. Let us see the output here. Go to Vijayata College, IMG1. See, it is big or not? Right now it is very, see here, right now it is very small. Now it is big or not? Let us check it out here. I am using here 40. File, save. Then I am clicking here. It's very small. Is it clarity? No, it's not clarity. Then again I am using here 400. Okay. Then I make it as save here. Then again I'm it going to be get the image. That means height width is going. See here, the line is appears, the invisible line is going to be appear, that is the width and the height. But here it is not there because here we have not used the attributes of the width and the height. That is the use of here HTML images. That is the use of here HTML images. In this HTML images, we have learned a tag we are going to be used. That tag is known as here img tag. That tag is known as here img tag. In this img tag, we are going to be used attribute. That attribute is known as here src source, and another attribute we are going to be used here alt alternate, and another attribute we are going to be third attribute we are going to be used width and the height. For this image tag, we are going to be used here four attributes. For this image tags, we are going to be used here four attributes. In these four attributes, first one is src. Compulsory the src will be the must. And the next one is here alternate alt, and the third one is here width, and the fourth one is here height. These are the attributes which we are related to image. Which we are related to image. Is it clear all of you? Thank you, one and all.